morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So today in this class we are going to start a new chapter, lesson number 3. The chapter name is birds and insects. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn some of the birds and insects. Okay, so first we'll see what are birds. Birds are the animals that can fly. Their body is divided into 3 parts, which are they? Head, trunk and tail. They have 2 pairs of limbs, the legs and the wings. So their wings are covered with feathers. So you all have seen the birds, is it? So the birds can fly. How the birds will fly? By using their wings. So their wings are covered with feathers. Many birds can fly with the help of their wings. The birds help with the help of their wings, is it? The mouth of a bird is called beak. So you all have seen the bird, is it? So the bird is having a mouth, so we call it as a beak. Okay, so the mouth of a bird is called beak. So can you tell me the examples of birds? See, parrot, pigeon, sparrow, crow, peacock, etc. So these are some of the names of the birds. Okay, so next we'll see what are insects. So all insects have 3 parts to their body. So insects are small animals. Okay, small creatures. So all insects have 3 parts to their bodies: the head, the abdomen and the thorax. They have 2 antennae on their head and have 6 legs. So you all have seen the insects. They will be having 2 antennas on their head to sense the smell. Okay, and they have 6 legs. So some of the examples of the insects are ant, fly, bee, mosquito, etc. So these are some of the examples of insects. So now we came to know what are birds and what are insects. So in this chapter we are going to learn. So there are some of the pictures of the birds and insects. We will find the name of the birds and the insects. Okay, and we will also identify which are birds and which are insects. Okay. So children, now we will complete the textbook exercise. Okay, so now you all open your Sparrow textbook in that page number 188. Okay, page number 188. So you can see the pictures here. There are many insects and birds also. So we have to identify which is bird and which are insects. We have to write the name of the bird and the insect also. Okay, so shall we start? So see the first one. You can see the first picture, is it? So what is this? This is grasshopper. Okay, so this is grasshopper. So whether this is an insect or a bird? Yes, this is an insect. Is it, children? So first you write the first answer there. Grasshopper. Okay. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. So beside that there is a circle, is it? So whether we should write whether it is a bird or insect. So they have written write B for bird or I for insect in the circle. So grasshopper. So this grasshopper, this is a bird or insect? It is an insect. So we will write I in the circle. Okay. So next we move on to the second one. So what is this? This is pigeon. So pigeon is a bird or an insect? It is a bird, is it? So write second one. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. So in the circle what you will write? Pigeon is a bird, is it? So we will write seen this. This is the mosquito. Is it? So mosquito is an insect. So write the third answer. Mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. So mosquito is an insect. So in the circle you will write I. Okay, so mosquito is an insect, is it? If it bites, you'll get itching, is it? So we should keep our surrounding clean, always clean. Okay, so if the mosquito bites, we'll get the diseases like dengue, malaria, all those is dengue fever, malaria. So we should keep our surroundings clean, okay, to avoid these mosquitoes. Next picture. So the fourth one. What is this? This is parrot. So parrot is a bird, right? So write the fourth one. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. So parrot is a bird. What we should write in the circle? B. It's a bird, right? So write B in the circle. Next we'll move on to the fifth one. So what is this? Yes, this is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. So peacock is a bird, is it? So write the fifth answer. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. So peacock is a bird. What we should write in the circle? B. Write B in the circle. Okay. Next we'll move on to the sixth one. What is this? It is a crow. Is it? Crow is a bird. So write sixth one. Sixth answer is crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Crow is a bird. So write B in the circle. Is it? So next we'll move on to the seventh question. What is this? It is a butterfly. So it is a colorful insect. Is it? So butterfly is very beautiful. Is it, children? So you all have seen the butterfly? Yes. So write the seventh answer. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. So butterfly is an insect. Okay. Okay, children. So next we'll move on to the eighth one. What is this? It is ant. Okay. The eighth answer is ant. A-N-T. So ant is an insect. So you write I in the circle. Okay. Next we'll move on to the ninth one. So what is this? It is a fly. So what do we call this as? It's a fly. Okay, so you might have seen this at your home also. It will be flying around. Okay, so this is an insect. It might be dangerous also when it sits on the food. Okay, it will sit on the other things also. When it sits on the food, it will causes food poison. Okay, so always the food should be covered. Okay, so these type of flies will come and sit on the food and it will cause food poison. So it is very dangerous. So always you should keep your food covered. Okay. Next we'll move on to the 10th question. What is this? Yes, it's an owl. The 10th is owl. O-W-L. Owl is a bird. So in the circle you will write B. You can see next to the black there is a circle, is it? So in this circle you should write B. So owl is a bird. So next we'll move on to the 11th question. What is this? Yes, this is cockroach. So the 11th letters C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. So cockroach is an insect. So next to the circle you will write I. Cockroach is an insect, is it? Next, coming to the last 12th one. What is this? Yes, what is this? It is sparrow. Yes, is it? So sparrow is a bird. The last one, sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. So sparrow is a bird. So you write like this. Okay, children? So grasshopper. Grasshopper is an insect. So write I in the circle. Next, pigeon. Pigeon is a bird. So we should write B in the circle. Next, third one is mosquito. Mosquito is an insect. Write I in the circle. Next, fourth one is parrot. Parrot is a bird. Write B. Fifth one is peacock. Peacock is also a bird. Write B in the circle. Sixth one is crow. Crow is also a bird, is it? So write B in the circle. Next, seventh one, butterfly. So butterfly is an insect. So write I. Eighth is ant. Ant is insect. Write I. Ninth one, fly. Fly is also an insect. Write I in the circle. 10th one is owl. Owl is a bird. Write B. 11th one is cockroach. Cockroach is an insect. The last 12th one, it is sparrow. Sparrow is a bird. Okay, children? So write down neatly like this in your textbook. Okay? So children, now you have completed lesson number 3, birds and insects. Is it? In this chapter we have learned different types of birds and also insects. Now you all will know which are birds and which are insects. Is it? Next, now we'll move on to the next chapter, that is lesson number 4, wonders of the world. Okay, so what is this wonders of the world? Our world has many beautiful, unique structure which are man-made and natural also. We have many beautiful buildings which we call it as wonders of the world. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn some of the wonders of the world. Okay, so page number 189. Wonders of the world. So you can see many beautiful buildings. So we will learn what are the names of these buildings. We call it as wonders of the world. Okay, children? So first, write the names of the wonders of the world from the help box. So can you see the first picture here? Everyone can see whether the first picture here. So what is this? This is Statue of Liberty. Okay. So the first is Statue of S-T-A-T-U-E. Statue of Liberty. L-I-B-E-R-T-Y. This Statue of Liberty is in New York in USA. So this is one of the wonder of the world. So this is in New York. It is in USA. So can you see the second one? So what do we call this as? This is Leaning Tower of Pisa. So this building is not straight. Can you see? It is tilted. It is bent, leaning. So it is called as Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay. The second answer is leaning. L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Leaning Okay, children. So there are two lines. If it is not sufficient to write here, you can write down. Okay, so you can write Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay. Next we'll move on to the third one. So can you see this? So this is called as Eiffel Tower. Okay, so what is this? It is Eiffel Tower. So this is in France. Okay, Eiffel Tower. E-I-F-F-E-L. Eiffel Tower. T-O-W-E-R. So these are the wonders of the world. Okay, so this Eiffel Tower is in France. Now the fourth one. So can you see this? What is this? Yes, this is Taj Mahal. So this is in India. It is in Agra. Okay. The fourth answer is Taj Mahal. T-A-J-M-A-H-A-L. So Taj Mahal is in Agra. It is in India. Is it? Next, fifth one. Fifth. Can you see this building? So this is, what is this? Chartres Cathedral. So it is a church. What is this? Chartres Cathedral. So this is in France. Okay. So write down fifth answer. Chartres. C-H-A-R-T-R-E-S. Chartres Cathedral. C-A-T-H-E-D-R-A-L. Okay. Chartres Cathedral. So this is a church which is in France. So next we'll move on to the sixth one. So what is this? So this is called as Great Wall of China. It is in China. So the sixth answer is Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China. Okay, so this wall was built to protect the enemies entering into the place. Okay, so this is called as Great Wall of China. Next, the last one. What is this? These are pyramids. So this is in Egypt. The seventh answer is pyramid. P-Y-R-A-M-I-D. Pyramid. Okay, so these are the wonders of the world. I'll repeat. The first one is Statue of Liberty. S-T-A-T-U-E of Liberty. L-I-B-E-R-T-Y. Liberty. Statue of Liberty. The second is Leaning Tower of Pisa. L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Leaning Tower. T-O-W-E-R. Tower of Pisa. P-I-S-A. Pisa. Next, the third one is Eiffel Tower. E-I-F-F-E-L. Eiffel Tower. T-O-W-E-R. Eiffel Tower. The fourth is birds and insects. In that chapter, you have learned some of the birds. Now you have come to know to identify birds, which are birds and which are insects. And in the fourth chapter, Wonders of the World, you have learned some of the wonders of the world. Okay, children? So here it's time to end the session. In the next session, we'll be with the new chapter. Okay? Thank you.